Johnston County, Central Wake County.
At 7:27 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Atlantic Ave and Raleigh. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar engage reports. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Raleigh, Cary, Smithfield, Wake Forest, Garner, Clayton, Zebulon, Knightdale, Selma, Wendell, Roseville, Lake Benton, Flowers, Lake Wheeler, Coast Crossroads, William B. Olmsted State Park, and Falls Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Johnston and Wake.